Change your back wheel like a pro. Make it quick and easy. The secret is shift into your biggest cog on the front and your smallest cog on the rear. Open up your quick release on the brakes and simply pull back on the rear derailleur to open up the jockey wheels and open the quick release and remove your wheel. It will simply drop right out of the frame and you'll look like a pro. To put the wheel back on, just reverse the process. Pull up on the rear derailleur, put the chain on the smallest cog, and drop it back into position. Close the quick release on the wheel, close the quick release on the brake, and don't forget to shift it into an easier gear before you head off, so you can get back on the road quick and easy.